Slam dunk you, baby.
What? Dito nga ako sa ano.
You know, in Blue Lock, there was literally a scene where the egg cells were going to the ovary of a woman.
What?
I'm serious. And they like put it as the flow because I can't
Wait.
like getting.
POV, someone's daughter.
I'm gonna ask the guard.
Okay.
Guys, where are we going?
Ano saan? Ay, gold yan. Gold yan.
Joke lang.
Oh my gosh, do you guys want to play with foam blocks?
Sa tabi nga tayo, sa tabi.
Sige.
Huh?
Guys, third card.
Saan nang galing yan?
Pocket ko. Escalator.
Ay, sorry.
Escalator.
I'm gonna grab this ball.
What the hell?
Play thunder with the thunder.
You guys need to shut up.
Wala pa tayong picture. May isa.
Kung ano, wala pa tayong group picture.
Wait, di ko kita.
Harapan kasi.
Yeah.
Okay na to.
Uwi tayo. Uwi na.
Oh,
Uy, may swimming pool.
ay, putang ina mo.
I wanna go to the swimming pool.
Lunurin kita doon.
Ayun.
Ay, nasan? Ah, hindi yan swimming pool. Ano
It's just
ka?
a fountain, bro.
We know.
Oh my gosh, it's the ocean.
Ocean in the ocean.
Hindi siya yung may kailangan ng responsible adult.
Oo ah.
Oh my gosh, my Dior. Ay, di ba na yung patuloy?
Ay,
Guys, spot. Baka nag-check na tatay ko. Uy, tangin mo, wala ka naman sa SM ka lang ba?
Ano sa'yo paalam mo? Malam po. Isip ko lang po.
Di, ang sinabi ko, SM. Siyempre, SM.
SM ba ito?
Manila. SM Manila.
SM Manila. Kaya siguro ka nagagala, hindi na sa SM.
Di, ang ibig sabihin kasi ng SM Super Bowl. Diba?
SM Supermall.
Go, Eva. Don't follow me. Bro, what's number?
Wala namang nagtatanong para sa number mo eh.
Wala namang nagtatanong para sa number mo.
Wala yung magtatanong kapag natulog.
Oo, ano? Your phone will die. Whoa. Nagre-record ako. Yun naman. Why are you walking like that?
Why are you walking like that?
Bakit ba? I'm trying to capture you guys. Yes, sir. Police, ito po. Siya po. Ay, sorry po.
Guys,
We got a phone. Putang ina. Tama na nga, tama na to.